Well, it wasn't too bad of a day until we got to the late evening hours. If you were in Upson County and Monroe County, Jasper, and northern portions of Jones County, it's been fairly quiet today. Mostly cloudy skies for some locations. Lots of sun, lots of heat, and lots of humidity out there. We are tracking a couple of showers that's beginning to fall apart to the northern portions of the viewing area. Along Jones County and Jasper County line, that shower is beginning to fall apart near Highway 11. And also, as we move into Jasper County, north of Baldwin County, moving into Highway 441, near Lake St. Clair, south of Edenton, we see this shower, a heavy downpour pushing north and east. That's also beginning to rain itself out as well. And we're going to see that begin to continue to clear on out as we progress throughout the overnight hours. And eventually things are going to be all quiet as we head throughout the overnight hours. But we will see the chance of some fog due to the humid air that's out there and also the warm temperatures and light wind. Now here's a 6-hour loop over the last couple for today. We saw the showering activity begin to increase sometime around 4 o'clock this afternoon, and this terrain just took its time moving north. And then eventually we saw new developments heading north and east. But as we were south of I-16, it's been just hot and sunny all day today, and daytime highs were at 92 degrees, right on average. Heat index is another story, and we're going to take a look at both of those. But right now, 11 o'clock, and we're still seeing 80s on the map in several locations, upper 70s for those that's not in the 80s. But right now, we're seeing a warm, moist air out there, and it takes moist air longer to cool off than it would take the dry air. And in fact, we're only seeing overnight lows going to bottom out in the lower 70s. Heat index values still in the upper 80s in Hawkinsville, Montezuma, near 90 degrees temperature for Sandersville and Milledgeville as well. We'll begin the morning in the lower 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, we're looking for the lower to mid 90s tomorrow. Heat index values will be above 100 degrees once again. Upper level pattern is showing that ridge taking over for the weekend. That's going to bring 90-degree temperature, mid 90-degree temperature. But by Tuesday, that trough begins to dig down south, and it's going to stick around for a while. And as long as that trough's there, it's going to bring the threat of rain, cooler air, and also lots of clouds. And you can notice it's there till Friday, and I suspect it's going to be there well into next week as well. First look ahead, we're looking at 2 o'clock in the morning. Clear skies, fog moves in, and isolated scattered showers once again for tomorrow. Same thing for Sunday. I think a little bit too much in the way of rain for Sunday, and same thing goes for Monday. I don't think we see major rain moving to our forecast until at least Tuesday. Now, as we take a look at the 7-day forecast, we're looking at a warming trend for the weekend, mid 90s by Sunday. And from that point on out, we're looking at the temperatures taking a nosedive. We're looking at mid 80s by the end of the 7-day period. But that's all due to increase the cloud cover and rain. That's going to keep us cool for the end of the 7-day. Fish again forecast calls for 2 peaks, one in the excellent range, one in the good range, 5 o'clock a.m. and p.m.